Hi and welcome, I'm here today with OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons. So first we have to go to the settings, then find convenience tools, go to gestures and motions, and enable swipe down with 3 fingers to take screenshot. Now let's go back to our home screen and let's say I would like to take a screenshot of this section. Well, in this case, simply I take my 3 fingers and swipe them from top to the bottom across the screen like this, and as you can see we have taken a screenshot. So again, 3 fingers from top to the bottom, and that's how you take a screenshot without pressing any buttons on OPPO Find X2 Pro. So thank you so much for watching, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.